Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11 inches from 2025, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we will need to navigate to our control center. So you can using pen either tap right here where we have percentage battery, or you can with your finger swipe down from the top right side of the screen. Either one will bring down your control center, and next we want to add the power saving mode. So click right here on this plus, and then right here at the bottom select add a control and find the low power mode. When you see it, just simply tap on it. You can see it gets added right here. We can tap anywhere on this empty space to get rid of the editing mode, and now from here just tap on the toggle and it enables your low power mode. Now once you're done, you can tap on it again and this will turn it off. Now I do want to warn you, usually in things like power saving mode or low power mode, the device will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery life, so something to keep in mind right here if you really rely on notifications from apps that do require that connection. But in any case, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.